let's stir up this nostalgic nihari that is sure to take you back to your childhood memories of your mom or your grandma making this for you. What you need for this is 2 pounds of beef shank, 1 pound of bones, 1 cup flour, 5 cups of water, half an onion cubed, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 pack of Nihari masala, 1 piece of sliced ginger, 4 sliced green chilies, and a half a slice of onion for tarka. So let's get started. Put your Instant Pot in saute mode, add about a 1/4 cup of oil, I'm using canola here, and add your cubed onions to this. You want to continue to stir this really well so they don't stick to the bottom. And once they go translucent or turn light brown, just like this, you're ready to add your meat and your bones. So ensure your meat and your bones are washed ahead of time. And you're going to add them in here and just fry them in the onion for another 2 to 3 minutes until the meat is no longer red. Now this could be a little tough, but continue to just stir well, scrape the bottom of the pot so it doesn't stick to it. When it looks like this, so it's more white than red, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now this is just a tip. This helps bring the right color to the nihari, just like they sell it in the restaurants, and even better in taste if you ask me. So we're going to stir this really well and add our 1 packet of Nihari masala. You can purchase this spice mix at any Indian or Pakistani grocery store. You can add less if you want it less spicy, but I like to have it medium spicy. So we're gonna again stir this really well, ensure the masala is coating each and every piece of beef, and then we're going to add about 4 cups of water. Yes, we're adding 4 and we're keeping 1 cup of water for later that we're gonna mix in with the flour to thicken our gravy. But for now, just follow this and you're going to ensure that the beef pieces are immersed in the water, and then you're ready to close your lid and manual pressure it on 20 minutes to ensure the meat cooks really nicely in the curry. We're going to ensure when our lid is on, it is on the sealing position, and just let it cook and naturally release all its pressure. Now once the valve at the back is gone down, the red valve, you're going to press off, make sure it's on venting, and then open your lid. Oh wow, this smells so good and looks amazing. At this point, take some of the oil off from the top that we'll use for garnish. Here you can see the meat is already cooked really nicely in here. Just leave your Instant Pot on saute mode, and on the side what you're going to do is take the remaining 1 cup of water and add it to your flour and make a bit of a paste. Now I'm using wheat flour here. You can certainly use all-purpose flour as well. This is just what I had at home, so I chose to use it. You're going to stir this really well. When it looks like this, you know you're ready to go. So feel free to lessen your water or add more if needed. And then you're going to go back to the Instant Pot. As you can see, the curry is boiling because we have it on saute mode. Slowly add the flour mixture. Now, I like my curry to be a bit thicker than thinner. If you want it to be a bit thinner, you can add less of this, but that's just the way I like it. I don't want it to be too runny and too liquidy. It just doesn't add to the right texture of the nihari in my opinion. So we're gonna stir this really nicely. Let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes or so. You'll naturally see the gravy thicken. You do not need to add the lid back on. Just keep it on saute mode. As you can see, after 5 to 10 minutes, our gravy has already thickened. If I give it a good stir right here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of my green chilies, the coriander, and the ginger, just so the flavors are added to the actual nihari. Now you can keep some aside for garnish later as well. Oh, this smells so good. I cannot wait to dip into this. So on the side, what we're gonna do now is fry the remaining half sliced onion for tarka. Now tarka is essentially at the end. You're gonna add a bit of oil to this, fry it. Once the onions turn a light brown, we're gonna slowly add them to our curry. Some people just put them on the garnish. I like to again add them into my nihari directly. It just helps enhance and enrich the flavor of the curry. So here you go, you can see what they look like. I'm just gonna add this. At this point, I'm just gonna give it a good stir, and pretty much my nihari is ready. It's so easy, so simple, and full of flavor, and I'm telling you, this is so nostalgic. I get memories of my mom making this for me and just loving it, eating it with naan bread all the time. This is what it looks like after a couple hours. When you keep it aside, it has the exact color that you want. Again, here are the ingredients for you to screenshot. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for some more great recipes to follow. Until next time, keep stirring it up.